Assalamu alaikum. Digital Economy Act 2017. The Digital Economy Act 2017, in an act of the Parliament of the United Kingdom, is a substantially different from the shorter than the Digital Economy Act 2010, whose provision largely ended up not being passed into law. The Act addresses policy issues related to electronic communication infrastructures and service. The updates the conditions for the sentencing of criminal copyright infringement. It was introduced the Parliaments of Culture Secretary John on 5 July 2016, was replaced as Culture Secretary, and Karen Bradley on 14 July 2016. The act received royal assent on 27 April 2017. Provision. The provision of the act include allowing data sharing between government departments in order to provide digital government, creating a UK age verification regular to publish guidelines about how pornograph websites which operate on a commercial basis should ensure their users are aged 18 or older. The regular would be empowered to be fined those who fail to comply up to $250, up 5% of their turnover. The order the blocking of non-compliant websites and the require those providing financial and advertising service to non-compliant websites to case drawing the regular proposals to have to approve 3 months before coming into effect. The WBFC was commissioned to fulfill the regulatory rule, but the introduction of the scheme was subject to multiple delays. It was expected to begin in 2018, but was delayed until spring, then to July 2019, and then for a further period in the region of 6 months in October 2019. And Culture Secretary Nikki Morgan stated that the government had abandoned the mandate altogether in favor of replacing it with a forthcoming wider scheme of internet regulation requiring internet service providers to use internet filters to block all websites that have adult content unless customers have opt out, introducing a universal service obligation which allows users to request broadband speeds of at least 10 MB. The obligations is to be introduced by 2020, and Upcom are empowered to subsequently increase the minimum broadband speed requirement, requiring internet service providers to provide concession to customers if service requirements are not met, allowing Ofcom, the communication sector's regular, to financially penalize communication providers for failing the comply with license commitments, requirement mobile telephony providers to the offer a contract cap to customer, limiting monthly spending of an agreed figure, providing for increased penalizes the calls.